So who do we believe? Do we believe the so-called scientists? This is especially in the matters of creation, of why things are happening, who is the supreme, is there a God or not? In these matters, do we believe in modern science, which is based on imperfect senses, and they keep changing their theories? Every time there is so many people died thinking atom is the smallest particle. Then they found out, oh no, there is also the nucleus, and there is the proton and neutron, electron, all of that. And now they're finding much, much smaller things. So many people died thinking there are 9 planets in the solar system. But then they say, no, there is a 10th planet also. So science is always changing. They used to think that stars are just pinpricks in the globe. And so many people died thinking that, if they believe in modern science. They keep changing their theory. But Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, they are the facts of knowledge, the body of knowledge, which never changes. Anyone who has applied the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, of Srimad Bhagavatam in their own life, have verified, have come to the same conclusion as what the Bhagavad Gita is saying. When we hear words from Srimad Bhagavatam and accept them as authority, we can apply them in our day-to-day life, and then we can actually get the verification of what Bhagavatam is saying, but we have to give it a benefit of doubt. If you want to go from one place to another, to maybe your friend's house, and you don't know the exact directions, and if you stop a person on the street and ask, my dear sir, can you tell me where to go? How do I go to this address? And that person says, yeah, I'll tell you. You go straight, and then you turn right, and then you turn left. No, hold on. Just keep going straight. Then you turn left, and then you turn right. And then actually, just keep going straight. You should be able to reach the destination. Will you believe that person? Because he's changing his version every moment. Every time he's not even sure where he's going, what the actual address is. And you say, all right, thank you very much, sir. I'll try to figure it out. That's what science is actually telling us. It's keeping on changing its theories. Do we believe in the authority of science, especially in matters of the real matters of who am I, who is the creator, how this thing was created? Or do we believe in the authority of the scriptures, of the Vedas, Shabda Praman? And then when we accept the authority, we don't have to believe it 100%. We can verify. The Vedas don't say just believe us blindly. We don't believe the authority blindly, but we actually accept it in our life. And then experiment with it. Experiment with the words that are spoken. The Vedas say, the Srimad Bhagavatam says, chant the holy names, pray to Krishna. Even as an experiment, if we can try chanting the Hare Krishna mantra and see, does it change my life? Is it affecting my consciousness? And then they explain the milestones that you will reach as and when you progress. And we see, yes, adho shraddha, tatha sadhu sangha, tatha bhajan kriya, and then there'll be anartha nivritti. All these things, milestones are given. If we apply it, we will actually be able to, if we experiment with it, we'll come to a theory. That is real scientific. Believing in Srimad Bhagavatam and applying its principles is the real scientific method of verifying the absolute truth. And slowly, steadily, it'll become realized knowledge. Even in Bhagavad Gita, it says in the 9th chapter that it is realized knowledge. realized knowledge is scientific knowledge. So even in Srimad Bhagavatam, it says there is a fish called Timangala fish, which can actually swallow whales. It's so big, much bigger than the modern whales, which the modern scientists have no idea of, no clue, but it's explained. Modern scientists have not been able to discover even 16% of what the species are mentioned in the ancient scriptures.